Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm in download drive for Lexmark. This here for Syria. You start here the driver to load. This is why I'm search the VCL website for you. I'm like download for the VCL website. The VCL website not a virus and easy to download for the VCL website. And this here for official website. You click here and click here for the driver and download. Paste the model. Click here find driver and download. And this here for take your automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. And this here for driver recommended for me. And if you need to load, you click here for the title. And if you need to change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system Windows, Linux, and Mac. I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. You click here. This here for Mac 13.7, 13.6, 13.3, 13.2, and this here for 20, 25, 24, and this here for the Debian version. And this here for the OpenSUSE, Red Hat, and this here for the SUSE, this here for the Linux, the driver. If you download, you click here, select by one your version. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Mac. This here for Mac version, you click here. This here for the Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 13, and this here for Mac 10. And if you need to load, you click here Mac 12. I need to load for Mac 13. This here for the new version for the Mac. And if you're looking here, this here for the new update for the Mac 12 support, and this here for the language English support. And this here for the driver printer. If you download, you click here for the title, click here for the star button, download. This here for your driver download. And and this video I need download driver for Windows. Select here for Windows, and this here for the version, you click here. And this here for the Windows 11. And this here for Windows 11 driver, Windows 7, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows 10 the driver. And this video I need to download driver for Windows 11 new version for Windows, like here for Windows 11. And scroll down, and this here for the printer, scanner, printer and scanner only. This here for the printer support and scanner only. If you need to download, you click here, and you click here for button start download. And this video I'm recommendation for you. You download for the universal the driver. Maybe this here for universal support for all the operating system, the tool for your operating system for the Windows 11. And this here for the universal print driver installation package. And this here for landing page 2. And click here for the universal print driver installation package. Click here for for the universal, and click here for the button start download. This here for your driver download. So this here for the driver download. This here for the driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer. And please wait, if finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click here. You click open, double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the take automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel.